Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to contact Instagram customer service. If you're using Instagram and now you want to contact Instagram customer service, let's see how can you do that. You just have to open your Instagram app and here just tap on your profile in the bottom right corner. Tap on it and here just tap on three dots in the top right corner and here just scroll down, go to the end and you will get an option of help here. Just tap on it and here just tap on report a problem. And here you must have to tap on remote problem without shaking. Once you have that, you must have to tap on include and continue. And here you must have to explain the issue which you are having. And here's the upload option. You can easily upload the photo or the screenshot of the issue which you're having and then tap on send. So in this way, you can easily contact Instagram customer service. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.